Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Pineville, local and long distance movers near me. Long distance moving includes a lot of decision making and trouble ensuring that all your belongings are safely transported to your new location. Therefore, people in Pineville put their confidence in 3 Movers, and our crew is punctual and never delays any assignment. Thus, the team will reach your place at the scheduled time and start disassembling the furniture and wrapping it in safety sheets. In addition, the team will help you segregate the important first night material based on your travel plans. You can also request a free quote or home visit by the team. The crew will also evaluate the apartment size and belongings to give you an idea about the budget, hence you can easily customize your services. For long-distance services, you may also want to pick auto-transporting, wherein the vehicle will be loaded into the moving truck and transported with the other belongings. It will also help save the vehicle from regular wear and tear later, adding to the repair costs. Thus, make informed and budgeted moving choices for your first choice and connect with our moving team today. You have a wide range of local moving services to choose from yourself. Pick a full-service option or only the moving option. Irrespective of the option, you will get a punctual, dedicated team working on your moving and ensuring safe transportation of everything. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pineville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.